An upturn in mining and related activities promises much for socio-economic growth and development. Nain and surrounding communities in St. Elizabeth are gearing up to benefit from new investment in this area. On July 19, 2016, mining conglomerate UC Rosal and Chinese firm Jiquan Iron and Steel Company JISCO signed an agreement for the sale of Alpart at a ceremony in China. Full consultations on the sale have been taking place with the Jamaican government, which has to receive and consider the best plans for structured and sustainable implementation. The administration is balancing the country's economic growth aspirations with environmental protection concerns.
The government and JISCO will be paying great attention to the environment and its protection, which are critical in the project construction and production. JISCO will have to strictly abide by the relevant law, regulations, and order from the Jamaica government regarding labor, health, safety, and the environment.
The sale is expected to be finalized by November 2016, setting the platform for preparatory work on the first phase of investment totaling $220 million to modify and upgrade the bauxite plant. JISCO's operations will be supported through a local registered office in Jamaica and a dispatch of some 200 persons on special work permits. Young Jamaicans will also be trained in China at JISCO's university through an exchange program. Importantly, the company says it will continue to employ existing Alpart staff and will recruit most of the former and available employees, creating approximately 700 jobs by the start of the first phase of improvements. Plant modification and upgrading is projected to run from December 2016 to December 2017 and will improve production efficiency and reduce production cost.
After the modification period, that is the post-December 2017, JISCO would have accomplished critical processing upgrading of relevant equipment such as digestion, filtration, calcination. This is expected to not only reduce production costs, but also enhance the effectiveness of production.
The plant will benefit from China's best engineering alumina production capabilities.
Designing Institute Shenyang Aluminum and Magnesium Engineering Institute is working for JISCO. They specialize in the mixed process of bauxite extracting. And this new process will greatly raise Alpart's competitiveness and production capacity. That approach can achieve 2 million tons of alumina per annum in half year. And that's good news and hopefully exciting news for the mining industry in Jamaica.
2 major sub-projects are also to be undertaken, which will see the upgrading of Port Kaiser and addition of a 1,000 megawatt electricity generation plant.
In this regard, JISCO is currently exploring 3 types of resource, including natural gas, shale gas, or artificial gas, coal to gas for Alpart energy modification.
JISCO also plans to build out a complete industrial zone once this power supply plant is up and running. This $2 billion investment will comprise the bauxite mining operations, alumina refinery, a local electricity network, electrolytic aluminum, aluminum fabrication including aluminum rods, tubes, and other industrial products. Openings for new businesses or expansion of existing ones using products out of the zone should provide opportunities for other value-added productions and a string of related services.
All of which should send a message to the Jamaican population that their opportunities align to that productivity level for small and other businesses to develop around it.
The Ministry of Transport and Mining, facilitating sustainable integrated development.